All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol BNGO, Bionano Genomics Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first-time viewers and investors, and to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in right after this chart analysis, right, into the second part of this video. A lot of you guys are just looking for the ticker symbols you care about. You know, you're watching the video BNGO, and I can't blame you, right? You just want to move along, but you're not paying attention to one of the biggest parts of my whole entire channel. My channel is all about chart analysis out of gratitude to investors, right? I'm usually not even holding positions in any of these stocks. I make the videos for you guys, the viewers, the investors, the subscribers, and everyone that comes across the video. I hope to help someone one video at a time. But the second half after the chart analysis is where the money's at. I talk about ticker symbols that I'm watching, and I also talk about the opportunities that we have going on over at the Discord. We're already 100 plus members, very smart and intelligent community of investors. And if you want to become part of that to maximize profits and minimize losses and make money while the stock market is falling. Yesterday it was falling and today it was falling. Yesterday, our biggest home run, we were 3 for 3, by the way. All three ticker symbols went well, but our biggest home run was 30% plus, and one of the investors made $1,000 plus on just that play. And the stock market was falling. You can pick here and see, right? And today the stock market was falling, and we found opportunities to make anywhere from 10 to 20%. We were 2 for 3. Obviously, we're not always perfect, but we're usually hitting that 2 for 3, 3 for 3. That's our goal. Looking for 5 to 10%, and anything above 10% is great, and 20% above is a home run. So if you want to be part of that, the link is down below in the description to the Discord. You'll be able to join Discord, the private chat down below in the description is the link. Slots are filling up pretty quickly, and guys, we look forward to have you join us. But I want you guys to see not just that, but the ticker symbol I have for you guys to add to your watch list. It was at $14 yesterday. It's at 12 today. Kathy Wood has a big position in it, and I'm not talking about BNGO. I'm talking about the ticker symbol towards the end of the video, because some people have been saying that when I say this, they get confused. I don't want anyone to be confused. I'm talking about the second half of the video, and that ticker symbol, you want to have it on your watch list if you don't have it already, guys. So stay tuned for that. So BNGO, right? BNGO stock, Bionano Genomics Inc. It had jumped pretty big here, right? From a low of 516 to a high of 607, guys. What a jump, but it lost it all pretty quickly, guys. So what happened here? So bulls had traction here, high volume, and then it just basically got dumped, right? The same entry of volume exited, basically, to leave it in simpler terms. And now it's sitting back at 535 in the $5 range. So our support now is 524, and if that gets broken through, you want to watch how this reacts between 524 and 516 to see if the bulls are trying to reappear and bring it back up, or are the bears tearing this one down. Super important to keep that in mind. Now our resistance here is 544, okay? 544 needs to be broken through. It's slightly below the 50-day moving average by the hundreds and thousands place, but 544 will get the resistance and the 50-day moving average cross, getting us back into bullish territory. And the next point of reference that's important, as this was dipping, is right up here at 556 to continue pushing upwards to newer highs and new resistance levels. So you want to watch this carefully after this big momentum upwards and pulling back down. So keep that in mind. And guys, as always, if you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to not miss a single video that I post, and smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel, and it lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. Let's go ahead and talk about yesterday's home run and the ticker symbol I want you guys to add to your watch list. Let's talk about the home run of the day, okay? And I talked about AMBO. It's another stock picking up volume, and it got a lot of news with Amazon partnership. And I was talking about how these penny stocks were bumping today, because not only was AMBO running because of Amazon, but also CLNE had jumped because of that. Now, it's currently sitting at 246, needs more volume, And as I was typing, it was slightly passing the 1 million in volume, which is what we like to look for. And that doesn't always guarantee anything, but it was a start, right? That was getting us to understand what's up. So we caught this one at 236, okay? So this dipped after a run, it dipped and it pulled back, right? Right here to lows of 242. So we caught this way back here, okay? Back at this moment. So we caught it at the best dip and we rode it, and right there in just a matter of minutes, it gave us more than enough, like in the pre-market. I'm not even kidding. Right there from that point forward, there was a big opportunity, and it pulled back into the opening of the market close to 237, and it took off to 289, right? That's all we look for, 10 to 20%. This stock gave us more than 10% on that jump, and at the high of the day, it gave us beyond our expectations, okay? Way past 20%. And here are some results of one of the investors, and this is where we post our profits, and I'm going to zoom these in just a moment. And this was the day trades of AMBO, thanks to Invest for Tomorrow. So to that investor, thank you for pointing that out, giving credit where it's due. But I'm going to give credit to you because you hit a home run today, and that is what we're looking for. That's what I want everyone to do with these positions. So this person went ahead and bought at $3,300 and sold at $3,600. $300 right there. Bought back in at $3,500 and sold at $4,000. So that right there was a total amount just between those two of almost $800, okay? And then we have another one here that gave another $300. This was $1,000 in one day in a matter of an hour or two at $1,200 and sold at $1,500. Now, am I guaranteeing these results every single time? No. But what we look for is 10 to 20% to maximize profits, minimize losses. And if this is something that interests you, you can join us over at the Patreon and the Discord. The links are down below, and we look forward to have you join us. The slots are filling up quickly, guys. I do want you guys to be aware of that. We're on our way to 100 members, and I look forward to you guys joining us. And I have a series to equip you guys and prepare you guys to become better traders at maximizing profits, minimizing losses. And we're out here making money while the market is red. So what's the stock I want you guys to add to your watch list? So this stock has been beaten down really hard, okay? When I first talked about it, I stated that this could fall closer to $15. And if it did, it was going to present itself as an opportunity, okay? I went ahead and talked about that almost a week ago. I mentioned it again. And for the last 2-3 weeks, I've talked about this one. And this is way below where I mentioned. And Kathy Wood loads up on this one. There's a lot of institutional ownership going up. And this stock will be one of those that's set to explode in the long term. So SKLZ, I definitely recommend doing your research, doing your due diligence. And when you're playing this one, you got to know you're investing in the future, right? This is a new technology that's going to roll out to be more enhanced. So it's basically bringing the past to the present and turning it into the future, because there's going to be like betting on there and stuff, playing games that we know since our Nokia phones and since way back when we used to not even have touchscreen phones, like regular phones, playing bowling, solitaire, things that you would play on the computer. And they're looking to expand. So this is a stock to do your research and understand as much as you can at these levels, because the opportunities are endless. Now, I'm not saying you're going to get your returns right away, but this could possibly be a swing trade for the next several months, or it could be a long-term play for the next year or two as this company grows. I mean, the company does have to grow. They have some work to do. But like I said, you're investing in the future when you invest in skills, SKLZ. This is definitely a stock you want to add to your watch list. If you want to see the full weekly watch list that I just posted this weekend, join us. The links are down below. I look forward to have you guys join us. We have an incredible group of smart and intelligent investors over at the Patreon and Discord, and you are able to become part of that as well. We look forward to have you join us. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.